Yeah, hello children. Today we are going to start new chapter for 8th class ICSE board sets. Okay, what is exactly set? We will discuss today. Some topics introduction of the sets chapter will be there in this video. So first definition we will go through the definition what exactly set define. So a set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. What do you mean by distinct objects? We'll discuss. And here objects are, so objects are known as elements. What are objects? What are different distinct objects? Sets are denoted by capital letters. What are sets? We will discuss now these 3 points. Okay, distinct objects. Okay, suppose an example, factors of suppose 24. Okay, so here 24 factors are what? 24 into 1, 24 into 1, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. Okay, these are factors. Now how can we write them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors of 24. If I am going to put them in a bracket, okay, then this will be called as set. Okay, this is called set. And these all are different. These all are different. That is called distinct objects. What are objects? These are called objects. What are called? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are called factors as well. Objects of the set. Okay, this is factors of 24. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay, so here what is the definition says? A set is a well defined. We will discuss actually what is well defined also. I will explain you children. Okay, a set is a well defined collection of distinct objects. Distinct in the sense no number is repeated. No number is repeated in this set. Okay, and sets are denoted by capital letters. Sometimes see a set of even numbers. One another example I will explain you. Capital E. Capital E means set of even numbers. If I write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. These all are called even numbers. This set will be denoted by capital E because set of even numbers. We will write in this way, set of even numbers. Okay. So the set will be denoted even. E stands for capital E for the from even number spelling. So this will be the capital letter and the sets will be denoted by capital letters and elements will be denoted by small letters. So here what I explained you, a set is a well defined collection of objects. This is a collection. Factors are collection. Okay, well defined. What does it means? Well defined means, suppose we will discuss about these factors only. These all are well defined. Why we can call them as well defined? Because these are the elements of, these are the factors of 24. There are no repetition, so this is called well defined. Okay, no elements are repeated. Okay, and also all are distinct, so that is why set is a well defined collection of distinct objects. So objects are nothing but elements. Sets are denoted by capital letters. Okay, next one more examples we'll go through. What is actual set of numbers? Set of numbers. With these examples you can understand more clearly what exactly well defined. See, you might have learnt about the different types of numbers. What are numbers? Set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. Okay, natural number stands by capital N. What are those numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay, these are infinite numbers are right. Set of natural numbers, whole numbers, all are different types of numbers in the number system. Although they are infinite number, each are what are the another one? Whole numbers. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Set of integer. Integers also denoted by capital I. These all are sets. Okay. Integers can be integers are including negative and positive. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. These are integers. Next, set of rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. So capital Q means here P by Q form. The rational numbers are denoted by P by Q, where P and Q belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0. This is symbolic notation of rational number. What is symbolic notation? It's a set builder form. Set builder form we will once again discuss in this class. Okay, in that way we have many types of numbers which are infinite. Yes, we don't know the last number of any set, so these are also called infinite, and these are, there is no number repetition, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on, there is no number is repeated. Okay, that is why this is well defined sets. These all are well defined sets because there is no repetition and no, yes, there is no repetition of the numbers. Okay, and well defined because we have unlimited number here. Okay. Yes, roster form, we will go to the set representation methods. Okay. So first one is roster form or roster method. Okay. So children, here roster method, what do we call, what is roster method? Actually children, if suppose I just explained about the factors of 24, what are those? 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 24. The this set is known as roster form. Okay, and just before I explain one symbolic notation, this is called set builder form. Okay, so there are two method of representation. One is roster method, other one is set builder form. Okay, and next one, set this example 24. Okay, what do we call set builder form? So roster method is listing out or tabular method. Next one is set builder form. What is the set builder form? It is also known as the rule method or symbolic notation. Okay, symbolic notation or rule method. Suppose an example here. Just before I gave you Q is equal to rational numbers. This is called rule. P comma Q belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0. This we can write rational number, any number you can write. 1 by 2, okay, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, minus 6 by 7, so on. Q is not equal to 0, but P and Q must be belongs to the integers. So these are called P by Q. It's a rational number. Okay, rational numbers are 1 by 2, either positive or negative, but it should be the rational, it should be the fractional. Okay, it means suppose here 1 is also a rational number only, 2 is also a rational number only, right? 2 by 1. Okay, next we can go with the so next children, cardinal number of a set. Okay, here the cardinal number of a set is the number of distinct elements in it. Distinct elements in the sense, suppose a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, how many elements are there? Elements, the number of elements. Number of elements in set A is 4. Okay, therefore number of cardinal number n of A is equal 4. Understood? So the cardinal number is what? Number of distinct elements in it. So how many elements are there? That is known as cardinal number. It can be denoted by n of A. Okay, children? So example one more. It is try this problem also. Write the cardinal number of set A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. How many number elements are there in this? How many elements are there in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers in this set. Therefore, n of A is equal to 6. So cardinal number of this set is 6. So now we will start the exercise 1.1.